Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is very exciting because it's all about self-care. I'm going to be showing you exactly how I was able to change my life in just 30 days. You guys know that I like to do a lot of challenges on this channel, but this challenge I had to take on by myself and just learn a few things about myself and then share it with you guys in the hopes of you guys following me as well. So I have been doing some soul searching, some self-evaluation, some self-education, and just learning all about myself, and I'm super excited to share everything with you guys. With that said, let's get into the video. For those of you who are new, my name is Mercy. I'm an RN BSN, and on this channel I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty. I do a little bit of vlogging. I talk about feminine hygiene, natural hair, and I just do a little bit of everything. Like I said, today's video is going to be all about self-care. And before I get into the video, I would like to say a big thank you to National University for sponsoring today's video. So last month I partnered with National University to do their 30 Days of Change challenge. They have over 75 degree programs that you can choose from, and it doesn't even have to be nursing. And the best part is you can complete those courses in 30 days, hence the 30 days challenge. So I thought this was a great concept because a lot of us think that 30 days is not a lot of time, but it actually is. You can change your whole life in 30 days. So if you want to take your next serious step towards your education or your career, National University can definitely help with that. You guys know that we're in the new year, and a lot of times a lot of us make New Year's resolution. We always want to improve ourselves, our fitness, our finance, our family, our lives, just everything. So I was going through that process myself, and National University actually contacted me and wanted to work with me. So I thought it was going to be something, you know, physically nursing related, but no, it was actually a 30 days challenge, and I thought that was pretty cool. So I got to thinking, what if I take their 30 days challenge and use it on my channel with my viewers so that we can do something really special? So I did that. So first of all, let's talk about what this challenge is. So the 30 Days of Change challenge is going to be beneficial to anyone. So whether you're trying to learn a new skill, you're trying to learn a new language, you're trying to pick up healthy habits, or if you wanted to improve your credit scores, you wanted to know how to cook a certain meal, you wanted to know how to do your hair, how to braid your baby's hair, how to lay your frontal, whatever your goals are, the plan is to choose 30 days and try to do it consistently throughout the 30 days and see what you can accomplish. Your life can change in a minute, in a second, even in a whole year, kind of like what happened last year. But this is a nice positive way to kind of hold yourself accountable and make better choices and better changes for yourself. So this is actually future me. I love when YouTubers say that. This is future me. But I'm going to be showing you guys what I've done in 30 days. So over the course of 30 days, I'm going to show you guys a lot of the activities and healthy habits and changes that I've done in order to improve my life. And I also want you guys to join in because I don't just want it to be a 30-day thing. I want this to be a whole year thing. But we're going to do it 30 days at a time. So me, for example, you guys know that I always say on my channel that water is my least favorite thing. And I know more than anybody that water is very important. It is important for your hair. It is important for your skin. It is important for your mental. It is important for everything. But I, for some reason, I don't know, I don't like the taste of water. So sometimes I'll end up buying fancy water. Sometimes I'll end up, you know, adding stuff to my water just because, I don't know, I don't like the taste of water. So what I did was I challenged myself to improve my fluid intake. This right here is equivalent to 1 bottle of water, and I was drinking about 2 of this for the whole day, like the whole day. That's how bad it was. And my skin was getting bad, my energy level was getting really bad. So I was like, I need to do something. So one of the things I decided to do was to increase my fluid intake. So now, instead of just 2 bottled water, I drink about 7 to 10 of these a day. So all I do is I go to the grocery store, I get the little gallon water, and I continue to refill this until I've had about 7 to 10 of these in one day time. So ever since I've started doing this, my sleep is better, my mood is better, my skin is getting better and brighter, and I'm super happy. So the next thing that I have worked on is my fitness, right? You guys also know that I've been complaining about the quarantine 15. For those of you guys who don't know, the quarantine 15 is when you gain 15 pounds or more during quarantine, and a lot of us have been affected by this, myself included. So I signed up for a cardio dance class. So I have gone 3 times a week, every single week for the past month. And let me tell you guys, the first time I was a little okay. Second time I was getting there. Third time, oh my God, it feels so good to just get your heart going, get your blood pumping, get your heart rate up. It feels really good. And the best part is when you come home, oh my God, you sleep like a baby. That's very important, because if you have work in the morning, if you have school, it is important to get a restful night of sleep. The third thing that I have done in the past 30 days is to eat better and cleaner. I've also done a few videos on intermittent fasting, but I kind of fell off that, I guess, wagon for a little bit because of quarantine, just like all of us. So my eating got really bad. I would just grab things and eat. I wouldn't plan my meals. I wouldn't even think about what I was putting in my mouth. I was just grabbing and eating. And again, when you're at home and there's really nothing to do, a lot of us were affected by that as well. So I decided to start eating clean. So I realized that when your fluid intake is up, your portion comes down. You end up not overeating because your stomach is already full of water, and then you add the exact amount of food that you're actually supposed to eat, and you're good. So the water actually played another role there as well. So what I've been doing is I've been trying to eat healthier. I've also started to cook more at home and do a little bit of meal prepping. I started adding more color to my food, like my fruits and vegetables. And I'm telling you guys, with all of these changes, I just feel better. I feel a whole lot better. A lot of you can attest to the fact that when your eating habits are bad, or your physical activities are down, or your fluid intake is bad, like you don't feel like yourself. You feel, I want to say, worthless. That's exactly how I was feeling, y'all. I was feeling down for no reason. I was like really hard on myself. I was not in the best of moods. I was just, I don't know. But right when I decided to change some things, you guys, I feel so good. I can work, I can do videos, I can edit, I can chase my daughter around, I can do a whole lot of things, and I still have energy. And then when I go to sleep at night, I sleep really good. And fluid is really important because it goes in and it flushes out our entire system. So water is like up here. Water is your #1 best friend. Me, out of all people, to be telling you this, especially about water, I feel like I've changed my life. My entire life has changed, and I hope and pray that I can stay on this track for the whole year, and I hope you guys can join in with me as well. So please comment down below if you guys want us to do a specific challenge. Maybe we can choose one thing and we can all do it together over the course of a month, or maybe you guys can do your separate things and then share it with me in the comments down below or throughout my next few videos. But I would really like to do this with you guys, and I also know that you guys like the no heat challenge. So I would like to do a lot more challenges this year. So comment down below if you like the video. Also comment if you're gonna do your own challenge, whether it's for your family, your house, your kids, your hair, your skin, your nails, just whatever it is. I want to know what you guys are going to be doing as well. And I want to say a big thank you to National University once again for sponsoring today's video. Alright family, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification so you never miss another video. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!